Hello everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next topic is string comparison. How to compare two strings. So wide main, char str of 1 of some size 10 is equal to ABCD. Char str 2 of 10 is equal to ABCD. So string comparison function returns an integer. You have to pass str1 and str2. These two are the addresses. This function returns integer value. So sum I is equal to string comparison. Here I am taking an integer variable int I and print that return value. Printf %d comma I. Here str1 array size is 10. The memory is allocated for 10 elements. Here first element is A, this one is B, this one is C, D, null character up to 0 to 9. Next one is A, B, C, D, null character. Here the base address is, the array name is str1, this array name is str2, this one is str1, this array name is str2. Here some base addresses. Starting address is 500, next address is 501, next address is 502, next address 503, 504, next 505 and so on. Here the base address is 600, next address is 601, 602, 603, 604 and so on. Here the starting value is A, B, C, D. Here the starting value is A, next value is B, so C, and then D, next one is null character. Similarly here small a, small b, small c, small d and then null character. So string comparison of str1 comma str2. What is str1? str1 is 500, str2 is 600. Here to compare, first compare the both values. So this one is small a, this one is small a. Both are same. Then you have to increment the pointer to next address. Next here you have to check the B. Both are same. Then you have to increment the pointer to next address. Here also increment the pointer to next address. Now you have to compare these two values. So these two are also same. Then you have to increment the pointer to next location, increment the pointer to next location. Then compare these two values. These two are also same. Then increment the pointer to this location, increment the pointer to this location. 0, 0. Then all the values are same. Then this function returns this function returns 0. So I value is 0. So this function returns 0 means both the values are same. Both values are same. Then string comparison function returns 0. So run this code. str1 of some size 10 is equal to ABCD. Char str2 of 10 is equal to ABCD. Then we have to declare one integer variable. The string comparison function returns integer value strcmp is the function name. str1 comma str2. Then have to print the printf %d comma I. Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5, output is 0. So for suppose here I am giving I is equal to str comparison of str1 plus 1 comma str2 so we are giving like this. What is str1? str1 is 500. str1 plus 1 means 501. What is str2? 600. Now it checks these both values A and B. So which one is greater? str of this value B, A. This difference B minus A. So value is 1. So this function returns 1. That means in alphabetical order this value is greater than this value, then this function returns the positive number. So in this case the output is 1. So here plus 1, Alt F5, yes, Control F5, Alt F5. So output is 1. So for suppose here I am comparing I is equal to string comparison of str1 plus 1 comma str2 plus 1. So in this case str1 is 501, str2 is 601. Now you have to compare B, both are same, then increment C and C, both are same, then this function returns 0. str1 plus 1, str2 plus 1, Alt F5, yes, Control F5, Alt F5, the output is 0. For suppose so I is equal to str comparison of str1 comma str2 semicolon. Here str1 is ABC. Here I am taking ABC. Then this value is null value. This value should be equal to null. Now you compare the str1 500 both are same, then increment, check B and B both are same, then increment C and C both are same, then increment 0 and D. Small a ASCII value is 97, 98, 99, 100. This ASCII value is 0. 0 minus 100. The output is minus 100. So run this code, we will get minus 100. So ABC, ABCD, STR2, STR1, Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5. Output is minus 100. Now we are giving ABC. Here you have to assign AB. Now the string is A, B. These are the null values. This one is the null character. This one also null character. Now you have to check A, both are same. Then go to next B, both are same. Next C and 0. C ASCII value is 99. 99 minus 0. 99. Then we will get 99 is the positive number. So what is the difference between small a and capital A? Difference between small a and capital A. Difference is 32. This value is equal to 32. So to run this code, STR1 is equal to ABC, STR2 is equal to AB. Then Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5, 99. Now string comparison function, here I am taking capital ABC, capital ABC. These are the small ABC. This capital A and small a. Capital A ASCII value is capital A ASCII value is 65. Small a ASCII value is 97. So this difference is 32. Here small STR1 is equal to capital ABC. Capital ABC, then STR2 is equal to small ABC. Now what is the difference? Here the capital A minus small a. Capital A is 65, small a is 97. The difference is 32, minus 32. So run this code. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5. Output is minus 32. Okay. So there is another function called CTR STR I comparison. This function ignores the case. So this is A and A. This is the capital A. This is the small a. STR comparison function takes both are different, but I's comparison function takes both are same. Then this function returns 0. A same, B same, C same. Control F9, Alt F5, small 0. That is the difference between STR comparison and STR I comparison. So these are the functions: string copy, string concatenation, string reverse, string length, string comparison. All these functions are, we have to write our own functions by using user defined functions without using predefined functions in string.h. Okay, so you have to try this one. We are